Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Roblox XDWD.DLL error in Windows 10. First, a simple restart of your computer can often resolve temporary glitches causing this issue. Next, ensure your Roblox game files are intact by using the platform's built-in verification tool. Finally, always keep your Windows operating system updated to its latest version to prevent compatibility problems and ensure system stability. If initial steps don't work, we'll dive into system file checks. Run the System File Checker, or SFC, by typing sfc/scano in an elevated command prompt. This tool scans and repairs corrupted Windows system files. Following that, use the Deployment Image Servicing and Management, or DISM, tool to fix any underlying Windows image issues, ensuring a healthy operating environment for Roblox. Sometimes, a fresh start is best. Completely uninstall Roblox from your system, then download and reinstall it from the official website. This ensures you have a clean installation without any corrupted files. Additionally, updating your graphics card drivers to the newest available version is crucial, as outdated drivers can often lead to various game errors, including the XDWD.DLL issue. If the error persists, consider temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall to see if they are interfering with Roblox. Remember to re-enable them afterward for security. Another option is to perform a system restore to a point before the error began, which can revert system changes. If all else fails, contacting Roblox support directly will provide personalized assistance for your specific situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.